Ladies and gentlemen, gather around because Ebonyi State is about to experience a groundbreaking transformation evolution. Let's talk about Ebocab, a project that is not just changing the game in Ebonyi State, but rewriting the rules when it comes to local transport in Ebonyi. The other day it was Ebotrans, now we have Ebocab. What's it all about? Well, imagine a reliable, affordable, and efficient town service transportation system that makes your daily commute a breeze. Well, let's just call it Uber in Ebonyi State. Okay, Ebocab is here to ease transportation costs, create employment, very important, and give the economy of Ebonyi State a massive boost. It's a triple win for everyone, and we couldn't be more excited. Let's take a moment to appreciate the visionary leader behind this initiative, Governor Francis Ogbonnanwifuru. This man is truly walking the talk, ensuring that Ebonyi State continues to soar to greater heights. His dedication to the progress of the state is unmatched, and Ebocab is a shining testament to his commitment. The governor recently visited the Ebocab Park, located right behind the shopping mall in Abakaliki, and let me tell you, he was thoroughly impressed by the quality and speed of the work ongoing there. As you can see, who wouldn't be? The place is buzzing with activity, and you can't help but feel the excitement in the air. Now, let's talk about numbers, because we all know that actions speak louder than words, right? Ebonyi State has gone all out for this project, procuring a whopping 68 mini Hilux vehicles to kickstart the Ebocab service. Yes, 68. These sleek, sturdy, and reliable vehicles are ready to hit the roads anytime soon, ensuring that transportation across the state is smooth and stress-free. Can we get a round of applause for this level of commitment in Ebonyi State? But wait, there is more. Ebocab isn't just about providing transportation, it's about creating opportunities and uplifting lives at the same time. The recruitment process for drivers and other staff is already underway, as seen on the Facebook page of the personal assistant to the governor on new media. If you've ever dreamed of being part of something this big, now is your chance. Send in your application and join this revolutionary project. Who knows, you could be one of the trailblazers of Ebonyi's transport transformation. Let's take a step back and really appreciate what this project means for Ebonyi State. First, it's addressing one of the most pressing issues, transportation cost. It is really choking. We all know how challenging it can be to navigate town without burning a hole in your pocket, especially in Abakaliki. Ebocab is stepping in to change that narrative, making transportation affordable for everyone. Whether you're a student, a trader, or a civil servant, you can now move around with ease and peace of mind. Yes. Secondly, Ebocab is creating jobs, and lots of them. Think about the number of drivers, mechanics, park managers, and administrative staff this particular project will employ. It's a ripple effect that will uplift countless families and improve the standard of living for many Ebonyans. And it doesn't stop there. With more people employed and earning an income, the local economy will see a significant boost, don't you think? Businesses will thrive, and the state's economic landscape will definitely flourish. It's a win-win for everyone in the state. Now, let's talk about the vehicles themselves. The Mini Hilux is not your average ride. These vehicles are built to last, designed for comfort, and equipped to handle the unique terrain of Ebonyi State. Whether you're heading to the markets, commuting to work, or visiting family in another part of town, these vehicles have got you covered. And with 68 of them ready to roll, you can say goodbye to long waits and unreliable transport services. The Ebocab Park itself is a sight to behold. As you can see, strategically located behind the shopping mall in Abakaliki, it's set to become a hub of activity and a symbol of progress for Ebonyi State. The park is designed to ensure smooth operations with facilities that cater to both the drivers and passengers. It's not just a transport park, it's a statement of what Ebonyi State stands for: excellence, innovation, and growth. Now, let's give credit where credit is due. Governor Francis Nwifuru deserves all the accolades for his unwavering commitment to the development of Ebonyi State. His vision for Ebocab is not just about solving transportation challenges, it's about creating a legacy of progress and prosperity. He understands the needs of the people and is working tirelessly to meet them. This is leadership at its finest, and we are here for it. So, what's next? If you're interested in being part of this groundbreaking project, now is the time to act. yet. The recruitment process is still ongoing as mentioned earlier, so don't miss out on this golden opportunity. Head over to the Facebook page of the personal assistant to the governor on new media and follow the instructions to apply. Whether you are a driver, a mechanic, or someone with administrative skills, there's a place for you in the Ebocab family. And to all Ebonyans, both home and abroad, get ready for a transport experience like no other. Ebocab is not just a service, it's a promise of better days ahead. With affordable fares, reliable vehicles, and excellent service, your daily commute is about to become a whole lot better. As we wrap up, let's take a moment to appreciate the vision and dedication of the governor once again. His leadership is transforming Ebonyi State, one project at a time. Ebocab is just the beginning, and we can't wait to see what's next. So, let's keep supporting this great initiative and watch as Ebonyi State continues to rise and shine to us. It's only us at Ebonyi People TV that can bring you this legit update. So continue to subscribe, like, and we'll see you in our next video.